Hermeneutics might sound scholarly, but simply put, it's a craft of unlocking the true meaning of texts, especially those as profound as the Bible. Consider Hymenaeus and Philetus, biblical interpreters who strayed up from the truth, claiming the resurrection had already occurred. Their misinterpretation didn't just affect them, it rippled through the early Christian community, shaking the very foundations of faith. This segment explores how misinterpretations can lead to personal embarrassment and communal discord. It's a stark reminder that the art of skilled interpretation is not just beneficial, it's essential. Join us to learn how precise interpretation can safeguard our understanding and strengthen our community bonds. Tune in to the consequences of misinterpretation to see how mastering this art can transform life. Get ready for episode 1, which is coming soon, where we can sharpen interpretive skills